Hey guys, it's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. We just got done with a closing here at Tennessee Title and Escrow, and I'm here with the seller, Miriam. And this was kind of a unique closing. We had to move really fast on this one, didn't we?
Absolutely.
Miriam was kind of put in a precarious situation. She had another investor back out of buying her property, so we had a really short timeline, pretty much like a week. And so, Miriam, I just wanted to ask you about your experience with us.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, Corey, you and your team, everyone he works with, 100% the best professionals that you're going to work with. Corey came into my home. He knows what he's doing, took a look around and said, yeah, this is a home that we definitely want in our portfolio and we can do great things with it. And not only are they professional, but they knew what my timeline was. They understood my situation and they got it done so that I'm able to move into my new home. If you are looking for a company to work with that is trustworthy, gets things done on time, will make sure you understand the process and that they're going to honor their agreements, this is your guy. Absolutely go to Corey with Buying Houses LLC.
Oh, I'm blushing. I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
Well, congratulations on buying your new house.
Appreciate
and
it.
we wish you the best there. And we also have to give props to Tennessee Title and Escrow.
100%.
They moved very fast getting this one done too. So congratulations.
Thank you,
It was
sir.
great working with you.
You as well.